Do you ever feel frustrated that your photos just don't look like those of professional photographers? Well, here's the secret they're not telling you. Frequently, the pros can only get that look by adding light when they take their photos. The problem is, in the past, adding light meant using expensive, cumbersome studio strobes. But not anymore. Today, off-camera flash allows you to go anywhere and light anything with just your DSLR camera and a little speedlight flash or two. The trick is knowing how to get that flash off your camera and how to create professional-looking light with it. Hi, I'm Phil Steele, and in my new course, Advanced Off-Camera Flash Photography, I'll show you all the secrets the pros use to get great-looking light using nothing more than small portable speedlights. First, I'll help you choose the best flash for the job, and then we'll look at the flash triggers and other accessories that help you get the flash off your camera and create professional-looking light. I'll save you money by showing you the few essential pieces of inexpensive gear that are all you need to get started. And then I'll show you some more advanced options for when you're ready to take your photography to the next level. Then we'll go out in the field and do photo shoots together. You'll see how I use off-camera flash for outdoor portraits and headshots with soft, blurry backgrounds, even in bright daylight. You'll learn how you can use handheld off-camera flash for events like fashion shows, concerts, and other events where you want to create natural-looking light that sets your photos apart, light that other photographers simply can't match with their on-camera flash. You'll also learn how to use flash backlighting at events to create a dramatic, exciting look. You'll learn how to do tabletop product photography using anywhere from 1 to 4 speedlights and how to create perfectly white backgrounds. These techniques are great for selling products on eBay or capturing beautiful photos of any kind of objects. We'll see how you can go mobile with an assistant carrying your softbox to create a flexible and free-flowing style of shooting that's great for portraits, environmental photos, couples, fashion, weddings, and other outdoor photos of people. We'll take a fun trip up the coast to light a mysterious tiki to demonstrate how you can use colored gels to add drama and mood to your photography. You'll learn to do portraits at night using special flash triggers that help you focus in the dark, and how to use background lights to create a glamorous Hollywood look. And you'll even learn how to overpower the sun using nothing but speedlights when we go out together and do a fashion shoot at high noon on a sunny day while completely controlling the sun with our lights. And as always, I'll show you my post-production process on all of these photo shoots, including portrait retouching and the removal of background objects. You'll even learn how you can remove your own lights from your photos in just a few seconds in Photoshop, but only if you take the right steps during your photo shoot to make this possible. And to make this easy for you, I do all my shoots in the same kind of locations that you can shoot in. I don't really think it's fair when instructors use fancy studios and expensive studio gear to get results that their students simply can't duplicate at home. So all the shoots in this course were done either in my own small apartment or in public spaces just like those that you have access to, because I want you to be able to achieve the same results or better in your own photos. And as with all my courses, I show you not only what goes right in my photo shoots, but also what goes wrong. Because I'm not in this to make myself look good. My goal is to help you learn. And if you can avoid mistakes by learning from mine, then I feel like I've succeeded. All of what I've described here just scratches the surface of what you'll learn in this extensive course, which consists of 22 videos, over 5 hours of instruction, where I'll teach you everything I've learned in nearly a decade of doing off-camera flash photography. And as with all my products, you have my 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not absolutely thrilled with what you learn, just email me for an immediate full refund and we'll still be friends, so you have nothing to lose by checking it out. You'll get immediate access to this online high-definition video course, and it's yours for life to watch anytime, as many times as you like. To get started right now, just click the buy button below, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.